We have a 4-count traditional regular cramp roll, or what I'll just call a cramp roll. It's 4 counts, 4 sounds. We're going to start with your right foot lead. You're stepping right, then left, then heel right, then heel left. So you have to step up on the balls of your feet and then drop your heels. Up, up, down, down. Ball, ball, heel, heel. Step, step, heel, heel. You can say whatever feels better to you. Your left side lead is going to be step left, step right, heel left, heel right. Step, step, heel, heel. Ball, ball, heel, heel. 4 sounds, 4 counts. These are our cramp rolls. We will do these now forever and ever in our warm-up. But for today, we're going to put them in a little practice step that we started last week. We are going to start with our left side lead today. So you're going to do 2 super duper slow cramp rolls leading with your left foot. So we're going to go step, step, heel, heel. Then you're going to do that again. So 2 times total. Then we're going to speed it up. Double time for 4, 3, 2, 1. Your left foot should be stepping first every time. 2 slow cramp rolls, 4 faster cramp rolls. Here we go. 5, 6, step left, right, heel left, right. Then do that again slow, 2 total. Then we speed it up right here. Step, step, heel, heel, up, up, down, down. 1 more. Very nice. There's more, but let's just see how fast that is. This was the right song. So it'll be step, step, heel, heel, and then we go faster. Step, step, heel, heel. Ready? 5, 6, step left, step right, slow. 1 more. Then speed it up. Left, right, left, right. Yeah, y'all got it. 2 slow, 4 fast. After that, we're gonna do some step heels. So just 2 sounds, the ball of your foot and then your heel. At that faster tempo though, we're going to do 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right. Then you're going to do 2 faster cramp rolls. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So 4 step heels, 2 cramp rolls, left foot leads. 5, 6, step heel with your left. 2 more, 2 cramp rolls. Left, right, left, right, left. 5, 6, 4 step heels. Go left, right, cramp roll, step, step, heel, heel. From here, you're going to repeat 4 step heels. You're going to do 1 cramp roll, left, right, and you're going to stamp out of it. And then there's that pause, so you can clap or snap or do nothing. It'll be a surprise, whatever I do. So 4 step heels, 2 faster cramp rolls, 4 step heels, 1 cramp roll, then you're going to stamp. Flat foot, put all your weight on that left foot. Here we go, 2 times in a row, 4 step heels. 5, 6, step, heel, left and right. 2 cramp rolls, left foot leads. Back to 4 step heels. 1 cramp roll, then you stamp. Yes, very nice, y'all. Okay, so let's put it all together. It's gonna start with 2 very slow cramp rolls, 4 faster. Then we go into the 4 step heels, 2 cramp rolls, 4 step heels, 1 cramp roll, and a stamp. I don't know what I'm doing. Here we go. 2 slow cramp rolls, left foot leads. 5, 6 step, left step, right. This is really slow, just setting us up for what is to come. Now we speed it up for 4. Left, right. Ball, ball, heel, heel. 1 more. Into 4 step heels right away. 2 cramp rolls, left, right. 4 step heels, you got it. 1 cramp roll, and you finish with a stamp. Yes, y'all, yes! We're gonna go forward with the music, because it's way more fun. This is gonna be a very short intro, so I'm gonna count you right into it. 3, 4, 5, 6, step, heel, heel. Ball, ball. Speed this up for 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Step, heel, left, right. Cramp roll, left, right. 4 step heels. 1 cramp roll. Yeah, try that again, y'all. Very, very nice. 2 slow, 4 faster. Y'all got it. 3, 4, 5, 6, step, left step, right. Heel, ball, ball. Speed it up for 4. Again. 4-step heels, left, right. Cramp rolls. 4-step heels. 1 cramp roll, stamp left. Yeah. Now your right foot's gonna get a turn to do all that. So we stamped on your left. We're gonna hold the count of 8. We're gonna start the pattern over. So you're gonna step right, left, heel, right, left. Step right, left. Then you're gonna speed this up for 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Now your step heels start with your right foot. 2 cramp rolls, right, left. 4 step heels. 1 cramp roll. Then you're gonna stamp with your right. Yeah, y'all got it. One time without the music with your right foot lead. With me counting you into it. Ball, ball, heel, heel, nice and slow. Right foot. 5, 6 step, right step, left. Heels, right, left. Do that again. Speed this up for 4. Again, right, left, 4 step heels. 2 cramp rolls, right, left. 4 step heels. 1 cramp roll, stamp with your right. Yeah, with the music, just the right foot lead, and then we'll put them together. What was that? Okay, here we go. Step right, step left. Slow. Ready? 5, 6 step right, left. Heel. Again. Speed this up for 4, 3. 4 step heels, right, left. 2 cramp rolls. 4 step heels. 1 cramp roll, stamp right. Yeah, you got it. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Your left foot's gonna lead, and you're gonna stamp 1 count to hold, and then you're gonna go right into your right foot. So we're doing left lead, right comes after. I'm just gonna put the music on. We're gonna go for it. It's way more fun. Left foot leads, ball, ball, heel, heel, that nice slow cramp roll. Can't mess it up, just move. You're doing awesome. 3, 4, 5, 6 step, left step, right. Do it again. Speed it up for 4. Left, right, left, right. 4 step heels, left foot leads. 2 cramp rolls, left, right. 4 step heels. 1 cramp roll, stamp, right foot, slow. Again, right, left. Speed it up. Right, left. You got it. 4 step heels, right, left. 2 cramp rolls. 4 step heels. 1 cramp roll, stamp right. Yeah, y'all. Fantastic. Let's do that one more time. Left foot lead into right foot. These are called cramp rolls, or 4 count cramp rolls. Like, ow, a cramp. That hurts. I've had several people tell me they thought I was saying crab rolls, so I'm just making sure that you know I'm saying cramp rolls. Here we go, one more time. Left foot leads. 5, 6 step, left step, right. Do that again, you got it. Speed it up for 4.